What's up, everybody? It's Ali and Elizabeth. Hi, sweet pea. Hi. You trying to get up? Oh, she's spitting up. Today, I am gonna be doing a makeup tutorial, and just some FYI, I am not a makeup expert, okay? I don't own everything that you're supposed to. Yeah, I know. Mommy doesn't own anything, right? I don't know anything about makeup, and a lot of the products that I use are like the most basic products ever. And yeah, but I think it's gonna be a great look. So if you're interested in how I did my makeup for Valentine's Day, please keep on watching. Okay, so I normally use Clinique products, and I already put on my Clinique face cream, and it's the gel form. It comes in like a green, like a light green box, and it's like a yellowish color. For the foundation, I use the Clinique Even Better Makeup, which is this one. And I'm gonna be mixing in different products in here only because I don't own a special like one set brand of makeup. Like I said, I don't do my makeup a lot, and when I do, it's just like the most basic makeup that you can find at Five Below, and you know, the cheapest one, because I'm no makeup guru or anything like that. So with that being said, let's move on to the video. there you have it, guys. This is my first makeup tutorial. Like I said earlier, I am not a makeup expert, so please, if I did something that, you know, wasn't supposed to be done, or I messed something up, or I missed some steps, please just bear with me. I don't do makeup every day, and if I do, it's just like mascara and eyeliner, and that is it. But since today we are gonna probably most likely go out, this is the look that I'm going for, and my outfit is gonna be something totally different than what I'm wearing right now, even though it matches a little bit, but this is not what I'm gonna be wearing. Anyways, I hope you guys have a happy Valentine's Day, and so much love, hugs and kisses from this cutie patootie and myself. And you guys, so with that being said, peace out. I will see you guys next time. Bye.